We are absolutely excited to be celebrating the 10th anniversary. We have come such a long way since 2008 when we first opened, where we took this incredible 55-acre campus full of abandoned prison structures, historic buildings, and turned it into a burgeoning art center. So we're having a celebratory 10th anniversary week, which happens September 8th through the September 16th. Includes all kinds of free opportunities, including a free performance of cabaret, a short film festival. We have a luau event. We have a community mural project where people can come out and participate and paint in the mural. We have a pottery throwdown. We have exhibit openings. We have our regular second Saturday art walk. In December of last year, we finished what was a pretty significant renovation project for us. Is a renovation of what we lovingly call Building 2 on this campus that is now called the Lucy Burns Museum. It honors 91 years of prison history for the 91 years that this facility was operational as a prison. And it also honors in name and in exhibits the suffrage story, the women who were imprisoned here for picketing the White House for women's right to vote. We do have this primary week of celebration and then we intend to have a celebration that lasts for the upcoming year.